Hello guys, welcome to Autoshotfa. Today, Automoshop will send you a new product launch that is SK Tool 3.0. This product will emulate the smart case system on the motorcycle that we can fix easily and quickly. And know where it's wrong, and the parts traders can also it works well or not. Here our products will be full emulator of the push buttons on the motorcycle, for example, the power on-off button, the wake-up button, thread button, and brake switch button. And these are the signals. In the car, we've emulated it all up here. For example, the start signal, left-right signal, solenoid valve signal, and we'll have instructions here. Connect the wires to the ECM. And these are programming switches, for example, that we're going to use to add keys. Enter the emergency key, or the choice of companies like Honda, Yamaha, and the SCU on this side. Next are the cables. Here we will support almost all SCUs in the market. For example, 21 pins, 20 pins, 33 pins, and the motorcycle lines of Yamaha, Suzuki. And especially we'll support the car line. And finally, the cable for Yamaha Temax. The cables above will help us synchronize between SCU. Especially these two end cables will support us to test sync between SQ and lock. And here's a cable to connect to the ECM. And there's more for us. A diagnostic jack that can be plugged into the fault reader. And for example, here I'll try to connect with a whole 21 pins SCU. First, we'll plug the smart key cable into the SCU. Next, we will plug in the SK Tool 3.0 product as well. Then we'll power it up. And here I'm using a 21 pins Honda SCU, and I'm in the right mode. And these two switches I'm going to switch off. I tried to find a car. My SCU product is working normally. And the alarm is working normally. I'll press wake up. The solenoid valve signal is working normally. And the LED smart key also works normally. For example, in your car. There's an electronic valve signal here, but I couldn't turn the lock on in the car. It could be that the lock is stuck. Or is some power line is breaking. I'll press wake and press start. When the power lock is turned on, our IMO signal, it will also transmit. And that's what proves to be the IMO signal. SCU transmission is still working normally. Thank you for watching the video. Hi, see you later.